I mean, just look at this beast right here. And to put it into consideration, I'm 7'5", and so just look at how big this truck is. I'm actually 5'10", but this truck's incredible. Hello, my name is Ryan, and I'm here at Hawks Outdoors in San Antonio. And behind me is the Hilt truck that I just purchased from Hawks Outdoors. Whenever I was researching online about trucks and vans and whatnot to try to travel around the country, what really drew my eyes for Storyteller was the truck, not the vans. I was really looking for something that could go through rough terrain wherever I'm going around the country, because I'm going to all the different types of geography and topography around this country. And I also needed something to where there's a lot of space, because it's not just me, there's gonna be others in this vehicle with me the whole time. It made it very easy for me whenever I found them online. I met Chris, who also works here, and it's been a very straightforward process. So I finally got down here, and I would say, again, even better experience in person. Did the whole run through of everything. Very easy to work with and really figure out everything that actually goes into this, because I've never bought an RV or a truck or anything like this, and it could be kind of intimidating. And so even for me, I would say after this, I'm feeling really good about all of this. Everything with Hawks Outdoors has been great. 10 out of 10 experience. Cannot recommend them more.